Page 11, Christmas Carol. It's a fun little piece. The top of the page, they're talking about wrist staccato. You simply hinge at the wrist. It's probably the most common type of staccato there is. This is played a lot with chords or single notes sometimes. You'll get the idea. It's right hand, the first note's not staccato, but then the others are. And a bump, bump. You don't have to come way off the keys. And when you're first learning it, you may need to exaggerate the motion so you get the idea. Otherwise, it's just a little motion. Just make sure you're not coming with the whole arm up. That's a different technique. We don't want that right now. It's got to be at the wrist. The left hand here, just boom, 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 boom. And I'm transferring the weight, sort of rotating the arm. And this at the same time, it's amazing. You should try this after a glass of wine. It's amazing. So you get that. And this is a cheerful piece. It's a Christmas carol. It's supposed to be happy. The melody's the top note in the right hand. If you can, bring it out. That's what we want to hear. Second line, you have the crescendo up to forte or loud. And then all of a sudden, you're very soft. It's an echo. It's off in the here. So you have to come way down. Third line, go back up to medium loud. And then at the end, you get a little, it's softer and you're going to slow down. Watch the notes. They're not quite what you think they would be in the right hand. It's C sharp B, and then C natural A, and then here. I prefer to link this note, if you can, so it would be a 1-5, 1-4, or 1-3, if you can. And in the left hand, it's a G, it's an E. You've been doing D's the whole time. Now it's an E. And then F sharp. And I recommend the last chord is a 5-2. Because you were just here. And 5-2 at the end. So it's here. Then on the second line, on the last two measures, in the right hand, you see the 8VA. Let's go up an octave. So it's written here. But you're going to play it up here. That's only the right hand. The left hand stays where it's at. If they wanted both hands to go up, they have to put a note, both hands. Or they have to put that 8VA above the bottom staff also. So the staves are independent on that. That's a fun little piece. Let's do it together very slowly and just double check the notes and the rhythms. Now, I'm not going to do the dynamics in that as usual. You can do that later on. And we're going to go really, really slow. I'm not going to do cheerfully right now. You can do the cheerfully thing later on. And we'll just try it out. It's in 2/4 time in the key of G major. I didn't mention that. I'm going to give us 2 counts. And yes, go do my scale video on G major. It's time you did if you haven't been doing it. So right hand, left hand. Okay. Ready and go and.